5 seconds. Start. I must congratulate you on maintaining high academic standards in your university. It has been said in certain quarters that for the last few years, some of our universities have relaxed their standards. I cannot say how far it would be correct to say so, but if there is that much truth in it, this trend is to be deplored and discouraged because universities must always look ahead and after imparting education must of necessity be upright, even strict in the matter of conferring degrees, distinctions, or honors. You have done the right thing in sticking to this ideal from the very beginning. Stop.